Hey guys, well, I'm out in the shop today. Today's Monday the 31st. I hope everyone's enjoying their Memorial Day weekend. I've had a crazy couple of weeks, the last couple of weeks. My daughter's graduating high school, so we've had family in town, graduation party. It's just been really crazy. I did, however, want to get out a quick video. We will be doing the drawing for the CNC4PC giveaway that we're doing. We're going to be doing the drawing and announcing the winner on the 7th of June. However, we need to have all the entries in by June 2nd. So it's just a couple days away. So I wanted to do a quick video as a reminder. If you haven't entered for that drawing, go to CNC4PC, click on the forum there, and you'll see a post there for the drawing. And I'll try to post one in this video description as well. Arturo over at CNC4PC has generously donated basically the same thing that I am currently running in the Precision Matthews, which includes the C25 XP. This is an Ethernet Smooth Stepper integrated board. It will come with the Wart 9 Ethernet Smooth Stepper. This is the latest revision. I actually just got this in the mail today. He told me he was sending it to me. Redid this overlay here several times. It's really nice now. It's got these little, when the inputs are active, it will actually shine and light up here. Really clean, really nice. This covers ports 1 and 2, and then this ribbon cable will connect here to go over to port 3, which I am currently using for the M26 expansion board. This relay board has 12 relays on here. You can use these for flood coolant, air solenoids, whatever you need to do. If you're running a router, you can use these to turn on a solenoid for or activate a relay for your vacuum system, or if you're using a liquid cooled spindle, activate that pump as well. We're using it on the Precision Matthews to operate our stack light, as well as our power drawbar and flood coolant. He's added this nice overlay. When I originally got mine, they were all kind of in the beta form, and he's added this nice overlay here, really clean. And again, the inputs, when active, they'll project on the top here. Really nicely done. Arturo's done a real excellent job with these, and I haven't had any issues with any of this since I've installed my updated my controller, and it's doing a really good job. So listen guys, if you're working on a CNC router, a retrofit to an old machine, converting an X2, G0704, a Precision Matthews, whatever project you're currently working on, if you have a need for an Ethernet Smooth Stepper, the C25 XP, or the expansion board, I strongly suggest you go over to CNC4PC, write up a quick little post, include some pictures. The more information we have, the better decision we can make on who would benefit the most from this giveaway. We want to get it to somebody that really can use it. And I guess that'll wrap up this video. Hopefully next week my life won't be so hectic and I can get back to posting some videos. Thanks for the patience. It's just been really crazy around here with the graduation and stuff, but I did want to get this quick video out because coming to a close for the time frame we need to get this sent out to the lucky winner. So if you haven't entered, stop by CNC4PC, click on the forums. You'll see the post in there for this C25 XP giveaway. It's the same exact setup I'm currently running, although these are much cleaner and nicer boards than the originals with the new overlays. So a really nice upgrade. So stop by and enter to win that giveaway. Guys, if you're new to my channel and you're just tuning in, click on this subscribe button down here below. That way when I post new videos, if it's something you're interested in, they'll send you a link and you can stop by and check it out. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and most importantly, be safe.